Alright, Jaeger262 back. The first one I'm going to unbox is the MSM-03 Gogg. And the reason for that is because I didn't know this at first. There's this really cool little detail here. It is the 8th kit to come out of the high-grade Universal Century line. The 8th one. So it's a really old kit. I don't know if I can show you here, but yeah. It came out in 2000. So that alone was reason enough for me to start with this one. Not only is it a really cool suit, but one, look how small the box is compared to like the At Guy. Look at that. Just a really old kit. I think it'll be a good starting place. Just to see what it was like to build Bandai kits when they first came out. Right off the bat, simple color simple runners, but nothing you have in just really big pieces, beautifully molded. Yeah, no stickers, just the one mono eye, but that's all you really need when you have a kit that in and of itself is so unique. So unique. So it looks like we're just gonna have the 4 sprues and then poly caps for this one. 2 full sprues of the tan body color. Oh wow. So I haven't built this kit ever, but if you look right there, each one of these claws has a ball joint, so I think his hands will be able to fully articulate. That is very cool, especially, and I know I'm gonna keep saying this, for a kit that's so old. And I don't mean to do it any disjustice. I'm just amazed. And you have a one-piece head, just like the Gogg or the At Guy, which we'll get to later. One-piece head for the amphibious suits. My favorite part so far are these gigantic feet. They have the propellers molded into them. Really nicely, I gotta say, for a kit that came out in 2000, really impressed. Here's the instruction manual. Basic gives you some shots of the Gogg in action, some technical specifications. Of course, the model built up. This is before they translated stuff, so I can't really read any of it. Don't speak Japanese. And yeah, look. The hands do move. And you're able to do, there's a gimmick here, which is cool, to put it in travel mode or for when it's swimming. And that's it. It looks like you only have about 9 steps to this kit. I'm looking forward to the build, and then of course here's some color shots of it and doing all its different things. It does have the ability to catch that wrecking ball, which it did in the anime, but it doesn't come with the wrecking ball. I didn't particularly see that anyway as an accessory that would be necessary, so no problem for me. The suit is all I need, and this looks like it's going to be very cool. 9 steps, 4 sprues. Simple kit, simple, early, classic Gundam high grade. So thank you so much for watching. Again, give a like or subscribe to the channel, and